once we figured out that there's two conversions,
Right.
it was
Okay.
simple.
Okay, awesome. Great. Okay, so let's share out to the whole class on answers to these problems. So can someone tell me what they got for the first one, 120 milligrams to grams? Yes, Mike.
0.12 grams.
0.12 grams. Awesome. What did you have on the bottom of your conversion bridge?
1,000 milligrams.
1,000 milligrams. Awesome. Yep. So you can cancel it out with the top milligrams. That's great. What about the second one? Chris.
I got 45,000 centimeters.
Awesome. Yeah, 45,000 centimeters. And what did you have on the bottom of your conversion bridge?
1 meter.
Right. Yeah. And then what did you have on the top?
100 centimeters.
Awesome. Yep. So the meters would cancel, and you're left with your goal unit, which is centimeters. And can someone tell me what they got for the third answer? Yes, Mike.
500,000 milliliters.
Right. Yeah. Very good. And what did you have on the top of your conversion bridge?
I had 1,000 milliliters for
Awesome.
my top number.
Okay. Great. And so, can someone tell me what was a little bit more challenging about the bonus question? Chris.
We had to do two conversions to get it from milligrams into kilograms.
Right, yeah, awesome. And what was your final answer for that one?
0.0002 kilograms.
Right, yeah, so pretty small number. Okay, awesome. Great job. Okay, so some other things that I want to go over with you guys, some other key conversions is that, so in chemistry we use something called the mole to measure the amount of a quantity that we have. So 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. And the benefit of using the mole here that we can see is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is such a large number. It can be hard to be constantly using numbers that big, and since we have so many atoms, so we can convert it to a smaller unit of measurement, the mole, to be able to help measure and help quantify things a little bit easier. But this is one of those numbers that's going to stick with you throughout chemistry, is just knowing how many atoms are in a mole. So it's really important. This number might seem astronomical and crazy, but it's actually going to follow us through a lot of what we learn in chemistry. You're going to have to be able to go pretty easily from atoms to moles, moles to atoms. So it's really important to take notes on this number and remember this number. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms equals 1 mole. And another thing that I want to bring up to you guys is that we can also use the periodic table with our unit conversions. So for example, carbon on the periodic table has a molar mass of 12.01 grams